Portland businessman Beachy Stout charged with murder for first wife. All of that and more coming up.
Beachy Stout, Mr. McDonald, he has been charged with the murder of his first wife. It actually took place today. And that's a cold case that was under investigation.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And people, if you want to further support the channel more, head on to teespring.com/stores/Chaddy More TV and purchase one of them bad merch there. Yeah man, please go on over there. So Everton McDonald, aka Beachy Stout, get charged for the first wife. Get charged for the murder for the first wife. Now, a lot of people probably don't even know, but Everton McDonald, Beachy Stout, first wife did dead drastically. You see me? Murdered right in front of our house. Similar to something what happened to the second wife. And we don't know him get charged for the murder for the second wife already. So now the police dig up back the case and charge him for the murder for the first wife as well. What the lesson learned right here, so crime no pay. No matter what happen, the law I go find out in the long run. And if even the law no find out, sometimes some things happen to you there. You damn ball for lock up in a jail. So the reports are for the death of his first wife is that Merlene O. McDonald, 50, also known as Petal, became Portland's 7th murder victim for the beginning of the year 2009. The Port Antonio police report that Mrs. McDonald, a businesswoman, left her business place for home shortly after 10 p.m. with her grandson. She drove into her driveway, got out of her Toyota Aria SUV, and went to get her grandson out of the vehicle when explosions were heard. Mrs. McDonald was found clutching to her handbag between the SUV and the wall at the entrance of her house, with gunshot wounds to her face. Her grandson was not injured. The police reportedly picked up several spent shells from the scene. Now people, this was the report. This is a Gleaner article from 2009 for the first murder, Mrs. Merlene Hope McDonald, aka Petal. And everybody know her in Port Antonio as Petal. You see me? And it was a tragic thing. So that's why when when the second wife died, everybody did a point finger upon him and say, oh, him do it and re. You see me? Because they must say, I see him like how him kill Petal, I see him way him do so with the young lady here, Tonian. And now him get a second murder charge for the first wife. So this man kill two wives. John was star. So he doesn't marry the people and pick and kill him, brother. Yo, it's not even a joking matter or nothing like that. Because initially, if you remember, if you're a real supporter of the Chaddy More TV, you don't remember, say, I don't really do no video on this topic. I only did one when him get out straight out of the press when him get charged. And me never really do no more video cause me I say, yo, John was star. You know, say, me nah get mixed up in other something. Yeah. And then, to did I go on the internet, everybody have a saying for say, year say this, year say that, year say that, and all sort of year say. Me just never want involved in a no year say. And that's why every time I do a video about the matter, which this is the second video I do, I try to bring facts, I try to bring documents, I try to even repeat what mainstream news say. You see me? Because me not in that something there. You see me? But it don't look good. And move up other people out there where have it in them back of them mind, have it in them back of them head. Say them can go kill them wife, husband for whichever reason. Don't do it. It don't make no sense. You gonna end up at jail, brother. You gonna rotten down there. Look at this man. This brother you own how much in supermarket, liquor store, all sort of something in a Port Antonio. I'm sure when you hear the stories, when you hear what go on, he's a wealthy man. Him never there to do them something. Yeah. You see me? But him choose the part there in a life. And that's why, Jano, I rub couple time at prison. You know? It's sad to say, but him I go do him time at prison. And from you do the crime, me feel like say, you have to do the time. If you can't do the time, don't do the crime. You see me? So, look at it now. Him get away, quote unquote, get away, scotch free. Because a 10 years ago this happened. Not even 10 years, like probably 11, 12 years ago. Because in a 2009, it happened. 10 years would be 2019. And now we in a 2021. Right? So practically a 12 that? Yeah, practically 12 years ago that it happened. And now you are going to end up going to jail for that too. Don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, people. Don't make no sense. If you can't do it, just put it down. You see me? People, want to tell me what you think about the entire case in the comment section. And me I go play the rest of what the police them did have to say. I don't know if the man a police commissioner or what, but me know say them keep a press conference today, and that's where I got the information.
Beachy Stout, Mr. McDonald, he has been charged with the murder of his first wife. It actually took place today, and that's a cold case that was under investigation. So if you get involved in contract killing, as the commissioner said, we are going to find you. We are going to get you. It may take a while, but we will find you.
You hear what them a want, yeah? I say if you're involved in a them thing, and them a go find you, brother. And them a go put you down. So if you watch this video right now and you feel like say you have a works figure mash, nobody do it, brother. You're going up to jail, brother. Nobody do it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!